So in this video, we're going to roll a covered call on NVIDIA that I've got. So before we do that, I'm just going to show you my NVIDIA position, which you can see on the screen now. You can see that I own 100 shares of NVIDIA with a market value of 13,777, 78, whatever it is. And my cost basis is 11,798, which basically means that it is at $117.98. And you can see NVIDIA's up to $137 odd, and my unrealized P&L is $1,900, or best part of $2,000. So I actually have the 137 call, which I'll get up now. So here is the 137 call. As you can see here, it is expiring, as you can see at the top, February the 14th, which is today, Valentine's Day. And you can see here that I'm down $23 today, and I'm basically flat. So it's like, $8 down on the position. And with NVIDIA trading just above 137 at 137.77 or whatever it was, if I do nothing today by 9 p.m. UK time and NVIDIA closes above $137, my shares will be taken away. Now, I will make money on this because my cost basis is around the 118. And obviously I'm selling it at the 137. But I want to keep my NVIDIA shares. So what we're going to do, we're going to roll the position, and we're going to roll what's called up and out for a credit. And when I mean up and out, it means up in strike. So I'm going to increase the 137 to higher, and out in time means further out in time. Maybe I'll do another 7 days, and let's see how we get on. So if I roll position, and I'm on the IBKR platform as well, if you guys are interested in understanding what platform I'm using here on my phone. So you can see here we got 7 days, February the 21st, and I'll just pick any strike. I'll pick the 140 strike for now. And the reason why I've done that, so you can see here, the cost of buying back the 137 is going to cost me $94. And in this example, to sell the 140 call for 7 days out is going to be $2, where that nets out, as you can see at the top, at around the 112, 111. So I know that I need to be above $90 to make this profitable if I look on the left-hand side for calls. So I want to go a bit further out, and I want to go a bit further up in strike price. So I might do the 142, see what that looks like. So the 142, 143 maybe. That's about $11. Let's just do the 143 because the 142 is 38. And it's 11, just so we can. So we're looking here, you can see that I'm going to buy back the 137 call expiring today for between $97 and $99. Then I'm going to sell to open a brand new position February 21st at the 143 strike at 108, between 108 and 110, which then roughly is going to net me between $10 to $12 net credit, which is why there's a minus there to begin with. So I'm going to hit roll option, and before I do that, I'll probably fast forward this bit because it's quite boring to get filled, and I'll see you on the other side of when we actually get filled. Okay, so now we've been filled. I didn't get filled at the 10, I think it was like 10 to 13 when we were looking at it before. I got filled at $9 net credit, or 9 cents per. So because I've got one contract which holds 100 shares, that is $9 of net credit. So if you think about what I've done here, I've bought myself 7 extra days. I've pushed my call up by, how many other dollars is that? $6. And I got paid $9 to do so. So what that does is, even if the shares get called away at 143 next week, I made an additional $600 in the appreciation of the shares, which is why I've done what I've done. So this just shows the power of renting out your stock, as I like to call covered calls. Again, if you are interested in more details, there's a link down below with all my trading strategies in there. Make sure you check that out, and I shall see you guys in the next video.